Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar again. Hello to tutor Monica. This video is according to the speaking session number 8. In this case, we are going to talk about special occasion. And for this point is the following. Describe what is happening in the image and what are the people feeling. Okay, what you can see in this image, is that if you can see the teachers are so pleased to teach or to show the magazine to the students. They are feel so good. On the other hand, if you can watch this little girl, she is so surprised about what? I don't know, about something that the teacher is showing in the magazine. Furthermore, the other three guys, they are so attentive that the teacher is reading. Maybe the teacher is reading I don't know, a horror history or amazing history. On the other hand, this little girl is feeling so happy that the teacher is reading too. Then in this picture we can see that everybody, all of them, are enjoying the reading. Hello everybody. For this point I need to move a little my camera because it's starting in this corner. Okay, and this point is this point say, find a picture of a special occasion with your family or friends. Speak about it and describe the feelings involved in it. Okay. Okay, this this occasion is so special for me. Were so special for me because I went on vacation to the city of Cali. I joined with my family. If you can watch this picture, this is my mom, my son, my brother, my sister-in-law, a cousin, other sister-in-law, my wife, and my older brother. Okay, this occasion we were enjoying so much. In this moment we were visiting this statue. This statue is a beautiful place located in the Cali city. It's a beautiful place. At this place arrive people of all around the world because it's a place well known. If you can see in this point, we can watch a great view of the city in this other two. The feeling my mother was so happy because they enjoy it when the family is enjoying, and everybody was. Look, if this is my older son, she's so happy to visit this place. Here too, my younger son is so happy too. I'm so happy, and everybody were so surprised to watch this beautiful place. It's a beautiful, amazing place. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye.